Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. In the last video, we talked about just replacing an exhaust fan motor. But maybe you want to upgrade. Maybe the one you have now is too small or too loud. Replacing the entire exhaust fan isn't too hard to do. When picking out a new exhaust fan, you want to get one that is bigger than your old one so you don't have any ceiling repair. Cutting a bigger hole is better than trying to repair a hole in your ceiling. You also want to look at the sound rating. The lower the zone, the quieter the fan. Make sure you know what size of venting is hooked up to the fan as well. Some have 3-inch ducting and some have 4-inch. You can always get adapters, but it's easier to just get the same size. Also try to find one that you can install from the room so you don't have to spend so much time in the attic. The first thing you want to do is turn the circuit breaker or switch off to the fan. Then you want to remove the cover by pulling down the cover and pinching the ears together. Next, you unplug the motor and take a flathead screwdriver to remove the motor and the motor bracket. Now you have access to the wiring. The wiring harness is usually just held in place by a single screw, or sometimes just wedged up in the housing. You want to pull this off and undo the wiring harness. Then remove the lock nut to get the wiring free. Next, you have to go up in the attic to remove the vent from the housing. While you're up there, you can pry the housing legs off the trusses, or you can go back down, take a sawzall, and cut the legs off of the old fan. Now that you have the housing free, you can measure the hole and cut the new opening to make the new fan fit. If you bought a room side fan, you can do the entire installation without getting up in the attic again. You will stick the wire through the housing, making sure you use a bushing so that the wire doesn't scrap against the metal. Then you can push the housing up in the hole and screw the housing into the truss. There is a removable flange that allows you to connect the old vent to the new housing. Now you can wire it up. Now wrap the ground wire around the grounding screw and then wire nut to the green wire on the harness. Then wire the white wires together, then the black. After that, you can install the cover and now you have a brand new exhaust fan. Subscribe to my page and I'll send you a link to 150 more videos.